Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to enable the Match System Appearance feature on Snapchat. This setting allows Snapchat to sync its appearance with your device's system theme, whether it's light or dark mode. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, head to your profile by tapping on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page. Next, look at the top right corner of your profile page and tap on the gear icon. This will open the settings menu, where you can customize various features of your Snapchat experience. Now, scroll down until you see the App Appearance option under the My Account section. Tap on it to access the appearance settings. Here, you'll find three options: Always Light, Always Dark, and Match System. To enable Snapchat to match your device's system theme automatically, select the Match System option. Once you've made your choice, confirm it, and you're all set. With this setting enabled, Snapchat will seamlessly adjust its appearance based on whether your device is in light or dark mode. It's that simple. Thank you for watching. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might find it useful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.